beautiful and a lovely town, Patrat, Jharkhand. I am here with my question and answer round video. So let's get started. So the first question is, what are some of your beauty tips? So the most important beauty tip is to limit midday sun exposure. By the way, I used to put turmeric paste, curd and many more for glowing skin, which were secretly made by my mom. So the second question is, did your parents help you through this bonding experience at all? So yes, the main key around my bonding is the effort made by my parents. As you can see in the traditional and introduction round video, they helped me a lot in this, so because of them I am here with you. So the third question is, how do you maintain your figure? I maintain my figure by regular dancing and my proper diet leads to my maintained figure and beautiful body texture. So the fourth question is, who influenced you to be a model? Why did you thought of being a model? Well, I talk about my inspiration. I have to say my parents. Without their support, nothing can inspire me. Because what I want or need, they fulfill. To see that I am happy and following my dream. Why I thought of being a model is nothing but to influence my future generation, as I was influenced by my first model to the current model. And we know that the perceptions of our country, that India is a very diverse country. The thinking of our society is not so good about modeling. So I want to show them that what they think about modeling is nothing like that. Yeah, that's it. So the fifth question is, does modeling affect your status in life and family? How? Yes, it affects now. I am popular in my locality and my parents also feel proud of me and support me to go further in modeling life. So the sixth question is, do you easily get bad temper with your fans? It is not so. If I have fans, why should I get bad temper with them? Fans are with me for support. They stand with me. If they ask anything, I will obviously give them the reply instead getting a bad temper. So the seventh question is, do you recognize your first time in modeling a treasure? If you are asking how I recognize myself as a treasure in modeling, then the clear answer is, I know how much I am capable in modeling, but my parents extracted the real treasure of modeling from me. They supported me a lot, that's why I am here. So the eighth question is, how thankful are you for your fans and supporters? Fans and supporters are like my backbone. Their enormous support encourages me a lot. That's why I am here. They are the main reason of my success. So the ninth question is, do all models do drugs? No, it is not so, but some of them do. In my point of view, they do drugs due to the pressure and criticism they get from the society and their community, as all models are not equally supported by the society. Due to various reasons, various culture, as we all know that India is very diverse country. Various communities of people live here, and that's lead to depression. That's why some of models do drugs. So the 10th question is, do all models have eating disorder? No. As all models are health conscious, it doesn't mean that they have eating disorder. I have heard some of sports women suffer from that to make them fit. Yes, some of models have eating disorder, but not all of them. As eating disorder is a serious problem which leads to death. Thank you.